2 on State Highway 146 just outside of Liberty County in Liberty, Texas. With the exception of the one missing delineator right there, everything else is just about perfect at this section. They've got all the thermoplastic tape down, all the signs up. I really didn't notice much change on any of the test sections, with the possible exception the fact that it's so hot out here today, about 45 degrees C on the surface when we started this afternoon. Hot enough that all the sealants have melted back shut. They were previously considered high severity because they appeared to be fairly open, but that's no longer the case. Little, if any, faulting to speak of out here. Again, Station 1. There are a couple of the joints that have some longitudinal cracking stemming off of them, which I thought was a little unusual. We do have quite a bit of lane to shoulder drop off. Lane to shoulder separation a little bit more difficult to measure. You can see there are a couple cracks that are deteriorating somewhat here. A lot of spalling there. Station 2. Trying desperately to avoid putting my hand on the switch for zooming in. Keep losing control there. You can see here's one of the joints that's still fairly open. Not a big problem, maybe moderate to severity. I didn't count anything here because it's outside of the section. There's a few of those. You can see here's one of the places I was talking about where there's some cracking stemming off of that joint. I hope that you can see that there. Station 3. It's a spall that's been patched with some asphalt. Station 4. Again, really not a lot of distress to speak of. Little, if any, faulting. The cracks noted are just due to the unusual spacing of the joint. Spacing is, I believe, we figured out it was about 30 feet. Again, all the delineators are in order. I'll go ahead and shut the camera down here and conclude the video for section 48, 41, 52, and then we'll move on to the SPS 4 sections co-located here on State Highway 146 in Liberty County. This is section 48D 410.